Hi, I'm Saleha Khumawala, Professor of Accounting at the Bauer College of Business, University of Houston. I research and teach in the area of government and not-for-profit accounting. I'm also the founder and director of the SURE program. SURE stands for Stimulating Urban Renewal through Entrepreneurship. What I have done has a two-part answer. First, SURE as an educational platform allows university students to gain real-world experience by facilitating the application of their education to real-world business problems. Second, SURE gives entrepreneurs from under-resourced communities the knowledge, skills, and network to start or grow their business. The way SURE does both of these is by creating a value-added partnership between the students, the entrepreneurs from under-resourced communities, and industry experts or business thought leaders, also known as my executive volunteers. Why SURE? Why is this educational platform important? Why is it needed? In our ever fast-paced, interconnected, and technology-driven world, financial, social, and environmental challenges are interwoven and increasingly prevalent. Amidst this backdrop, as professionals and educators, we struggle to engage both millennials and Gen Z to give them the requisite skills they need. The traditional textbook lecture approach practiced in the ivory towers is no longer enough. We see a growing disconnect between students and their future workplace, particularly in the realm of complex problem solving, communication, leadership, and other critical soft skills. Research has also shown that empathy is down 30% in these students, which has led to narcissism and narcissistic behavior. If we continue with the status quo, that gap will only increase, and our institutions of higher education will risk becoming irrelevant. Experiential learning techniques that include a design thinking approach to teaching with service learning applications will help close the gap. Experiential learning techniques that include a design thinking approach to teaching with service learning applications will help close the gap. The result will be maximally engaged students with the requisite skills. The SURE program as an educational platform illustrates how this may be accomplished. It's basically closing the skills gap with design thinking in the higher ed curriculum. How did this program start? The genesis of this program came in 2006 when I led the study abroad program to India, my motherland. There, as part of the coursework, the students visited microfinance institutions and saw in action how the small microloans help the entrepreneurs. That sparked their interest, and my own personal research interest led to the SURE program. And basically, I can say SURE is a direct descendant of that. While at SURE, we are not a microfinance institution, do not give microloans or any of that. We do aim to engage the entrepreneurial, we do aim to energize the entrepreneurial ecosystem through assisting those who want to start or grow businesses. Through designing our curriculum, leveraging the university's resources, providing students with the ability to provide a one-on-one consultation to these entrepreneurs, and hosting free weekly Saturday classes and breaking bread together by giving a healthy breakfast and lunch, we empower these entrepreneurs. All of these are combined with a dialogue about a link with civic engagement. The secret sauce to successfully bringing these elements together is in the human relationships that are built on trust. Now, you'd wonder how this program works. Well, by bringing all our stakeholders together, the key, 4 of them, students, entrepreneurs, industry experts, and our partners, they all basically receive something by giving something. Specifically, our students, they get course credit and real-world experience by providing one-on-one consultation to these entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurs receive one-on-one help, consulting basically from my students, professional guidance from industry experts by writing a business plan. The industry experts get branding and an opportunity to give back to the community commensurate to the value of their time. And my funding partners, they get a high ROI and positive branding by engaging with a program that has the community embedded in it. They not only meet their CRA requirements, but also their CSR goals, and get an ROI on their original investment over tenfold. Over and over, my students have come to me and told me what an impact of working with the under-resourced entrepreneurs has had on their worldview, their career projects, their career prospects, and their self-image. Working with others with tangible benefits has been huge for them. It adds a bullet point on their resume and gives them a competitive edge in the marketplace. The empathy that they develop and the entrepreneurial mindset is unparalleled. It is this intrapreneurship that helps them at their next workplace. Similarly, we have success story after success story from our entrepreneurs. To date, in 4.5 years, the SURE program has trained over 900 entrepreneurs, launched 160 businesses, and more impressively, 77% of my entrepreneurs are female, 50% are African American, and 27% of them self-identify as Latina. Among the businesses that have started, several of them are also social entrepreneurships, which is again doing well by doing good. And secondly, it also has this large community footprint. It is experiential learning that embeds service learning with a measurable social impact.